Hey, it's Mackenzie over at the Guardian Group, and today I'm going to walk you through our Docusign process. Docusign is an online electronic way to securely fill out and sign documents. So what you'll first want to do is open up your email, and it'll come from something like this. Please Docusign, and then whatever it is you will be Docusigning, and click on Review Documents. And sometimes it won't load, so you may need to clear your cookies on your web browser. But once you get started through that, it'll take you to this page here and have you send a text message to confirm your identity. It'll send you a code. And when you receive that code, go ahead and type it in and click on Confirm Code. And it'll load and bring you to the page to get started. So you want to click on I agree to the terms and conditions and click continue and then start. And then you just start filling out. So all of the circle buttons are called radio buttons. Only one in the row can be checked. If you click multiple ones, it'll uncheck other ones, as you can see here. And sometimes it'll prompt another box to open up, like employee, and it'll have you fill out that part as well, which is required. Now, if you forget to fill out something, it won't let you complete the document. So right here, I'll leave it blank, and then I'm just going to click through this here quickly, the drop downs and radio buttons, just to get through the document. And then click sign. The first time you do it, another window will pop up to create your signature. It's really easy. You don't have to draw your signature or anything. You just pick the one that you like or prefer. And it'll also create your initial as well, which you'll come down here and see. So initial, again, for first time users, another window will pop up. And then when you're all finished, see, it wouldn't let me click finish because I left that area blank. So once you fill in that area, will allow you to finish. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a great day.